Good afternoon. Today's April 25th, Thursday. We finally got this beautiful rain right now in Bolivar, Missouri. It has been so dry in Missouri right now. Began to rain this morning and we got flood right now. See, look at the lake DVD. It's full of water right now and full of life. And there's algae and dogweed will be flooded away soon. Yep, just beautiful. We need rain so bad in Missouri. Look at here, this is our neighborhood. It's a little bit windy. I'm holding my umbrella here. Wear my rain boots and raincoat and just enjoy this beautiful nature here. I don't want the wind to blow away my umbrella. Try to figure out which way the wind is coming. I think come from the south. Yes, okay. And this is Lake DVD. The pond, the kid's named after me. I'm Dr. DVD. Anyway, look at here. Some more water goes down right now. See right here. Woo, we got a flood here. This is good. See the snapping turtles. The turtles here. Yep. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Beautiful rain. See, we live over there. Yep. Yeah. The rain's really pouring right now. Thank God I have an umbrella. Look at that. Beautiful. It's gorgeous rain. Beautiful rain here. Gorgeous rain. Look at the water here. Woo! Good. Like the rain. If you don't like me, that'll be fine. Well, thank you. Yep, it's beautiful. It's big rain. Big rain here. Yep, look at here. Nice flooding here. The water goes to the pond here. Yep. Okay. All the new houses here. Okay, beautiful. Look at here. Wow. The water goes to the drainage, goes to the lake. Willow tree here. Okay. And look at the river here. The creek is raging right now. Yep, look at here. Look at here, the waterfall here. Beautiful. See? Here comes the rain. Here comes the Missouri rain. Beautiful rain. We need the rain. Thank you for the rain, Lord. Missouri rain.